What's up, guys? It's the Dominique Denise, your favorite model coach, and today we will be talking about modeling comp cards, specifically what they are and how you can create your own. But before we do that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you always get a notification every time I post a video, which is every other Thursday. Now let's dive into today's topic. Before we dive into comp cards, make sure you watch my video here where I go over modeling portfolios. It is essential that you know what a modeling portfolio is before you learn the details of a modeling comp card. The portfolio and comp card go hand in hand. You show your portfolio to casting directors, clients, etc., but you always take it back since you invested time and money into creating it. You then leave behind your comp card in its place for them to remember you. Your comp card is basically a miniature version of your portfolio, and it also becomes your modeling business card. You hand it out to everyone and anyone. The most professional versions of comp cards are usually always double-sided and printed on thick cardstock, not flimsy paper. And the size of your comp card should be either a 4x6 or 5x7. You can have anywhere from 2 to 5 pictures included on your comp card, but no less than 2 and no more than 5. If you're looking to make a 2-picture comp card, here's what you should do. The front of your comp card should be a nice modeling headshot with your name, and the back of your comp card should be a body shot with all of your measurements and your contact information. With your comp card, make sure that your headshot is a modeling, fashion-forward headshot, not an acting or commercial headshot where you're super smiley and bubbly. Make sure your talent name is on the front in large, bold letters. For the back of your comp card, your measurements should include your height, bust, waist, hips, shoe size, hair color, and eye color. Make sure that your contact info is your talent email and talent Instagram. See my top 7 tips for becoming a successful professional model and why every model needs an Instagram videos for more information. And don't forget to put your cell phone number, which should be your parents' phone number if you're under 18. Now, if you want to make a comp card with 5 pictures on it, things are going to be just slightly different. The front of your comp card will still be the same. It should still be a modeling headshot with your name on the front. The back of your comp card will be slightly different with the 5 pictures though. With the remaining 4 pictures, you should insert them onto the back of your comp card and create a collage of these pictures, and then also make sure to include your measurements and your contact information. Now I'm going to go a little bit into more detail on how you can make your comp card at home. There are lots of online programs that will make your comp cards for you, but what I found is that a lot of them are very pricey and expensive. And as a model, when you're handing out comp cards to everyone, that can get pretty expensive pretty quickly. So as you may have already found out, I like to be very cost efficient here. So we're gonna go about the cost efficient way to make your own comp cards at home. Now let's go step by step on comp card creation. You want to open up 2 separate Word documents, one for the front of your comp card and one for the back of your comp card. Let's start with the front of our comp card Word document first. Add your desired headshot picture. Once it's in the Word document, expand your headshot so it fills the whole page. Once you have that done, you want to add a text box on top of your headshot, and you can orient the text box any way. Some people like their name to be vertical formatted, some people like their name to be horizontal formatted, but add your name to this text box and align as desired. But make sure that your font is very large and very bold. Your name should be extremely easy to see and read. From there, save the front of your comp card Word document as a PDF. Now for the back of your comp card. Open up that Word document. If you're going for just 1 picture on the back of your comp card, then the process is pretty much the same as the front of your comp card. Add that editorial and expand it to fill the whole page. Add another text box at the bottom of the comp card to include all of your measurements and your contact information. Now, if you would like to have 4 pictures on the back of your comp card, again, add all those 4 pictures to the Word document. From there, go about resizing all of those 4 pictures until they all fit nicely together in like a little puzzle collage. Add a text box at the bottom with your measurements and your contact information. From there, make sure to save your Word document of the back of your comp card as a PDF. Now that we've created both sides of our comp cards, we're going to go to staples.com. You will then choose the option to create a custom marketing card. The custom marketing card will then allow you to upload the image of the front of your comp card and upload the image of the back of your comp card. And the online program recognizes PDFs as images. So that's why we saved our Word documents as PDFs. Make sure when you're choosing your options on Staples with your custom marketing card to choose the double-sided 5x7 matte, not glossy option. This will make for a nice printed cardstock comp card. Once everything is uploaded and everything looks good to you, you can go ahead and print your comp cards. The price for Staples starts at $25 for 25 comp cards, and the more quantity of comp cards you print, the cheaper that they are. So there you have it, modeling comp cards and how you can create your own at home. If you need any guidance with creating your marketing tools or have any questions about modeling in general, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. As your go-to model coach, that's what I'm here for. And most importantly, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you always get a notification every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a fantastic rest of your day.